Other for me, a boy, all a problem here. People, no, since nobody fee ask her, say, if your pikin they do shetro, your pikin can go they carry women the way you tell her. The way you tell her. If your pikin really go they carry women, and you know, Beneba Magieta, Ladia, don't tell me no Beneba. You say your pikin fine. May your pikin go they carry women go feed by house or abuse that sort. Why your pikin go form move for abroad? Make your pikin go carry women. The woman when you be give my your pikin. Swear put for live video. Ye boy ya mwe bok bene. Ye ravi jwe no gune ya mwe bok bene. Ijodo. E ravi jwe no gune. When ya tiene mu. Eni ya ni ata against you when I got toge. I got toge. Everything I want to say here. If I lie. E ravi jwe no gune tiene mu. E ravi no gune tiene mu. E matter nothing but the truth. Okay, I said to wear free because your wife in live video ne panic. But say the truth. I know they hear you. I know they hear you. No. No. May I not do waiting? Yeah. No problem. I don't come out now. I come out now. I come out. It don't come out. But no be. I go leave my children. I go leave my children when still put when you go still life for your picky head. Only that one not be even be the issue. That one not be the issue now. That is. The issue when my man was swear for now the age. If I senior my husband, if I don't even this 36 years old. If I don't, my mama talk her just now say, if I don't reach 30, I don't compose, mama. I compose. EJ Mike, he got say 37 years in there. May 8, away birthday. I was 34 before I become 35. Now I do birthday. I become 35. I not predict my call just now. Now see her, I even ask her in a way about the picking. I'll post the video. That video just now, I go post her. I not delete her. So I'll post her for YouTube. Okay? So, make I talk now. As it take go Nigeria, go when I day here, when I want bought the last born, why be one die. I want talk her now. I want talk her so make the world know how wicked you don't treat me. How wicked you treat me. No. Now you talk her. Oma, no problem. Hello? No problem. Then when and your content is still good. You need viewers. Okay, I know you are not working, husband is not working. It's okay. I understand the situation. It's fine. You understand the situation you're paying. I can understand. You need somewhere to get money from. Okay. Okay. But not to that extent with lie. I post a video. That video I remove and not delete her. Okay? I will post her for YouTube. The whole world hear my mother for the first time. Mama, I hear her for the first time. No, he put them. I get belly. I get belly of this last born. This woman, yeah, told your wegbe. Yeah, told your wegbe that we call it SE Yodo. Or what? I don't know now. Because me, I'm not quitting my marriage for you. I am not doing it for you. I am doing it for my life matter. Because you like too much evil. You like a evil way. You like a evil way. But God has been fighting for me. I don't know if the God is still there right now. I don't know the day he will walk. So my life matter. My life, until you come to the world and tell them, the marriage you were celebrating your document today, I paid for that marriage. I sponsored your marriage. I bring DJ. I pay for the food. I pay for everything. Money for you to take Lula outside Rome. I paid. Don't make live video. But you were attacking your daughter. Because now I've expired. You know that at 35 years this year, you come out to lie than 48. People have been saying it, I don't take it serious. But you saying it, now it becomes serious. Okay? I cannot be with your son. I really do you what I want. Or go to the length I want. So then, I will divert your son. Then, we do it. Am I desperate? Okay? I'm not. I'm not desperate. You're so quiet. If they tell me quiet, I dey respect her. Imagine that for me. Imagine. Imagine that for me. Ijodo. Igadire Kevin no we, igadire Meki no we. Ijwe no gune. Era no gune. Unwi ati enemu. Imagine. Uze bameru duwo no ya agbese tro mu go gue. No leli kwo no mu go gue. Oga ebo na gwiye wu. You and this guy have never stayed in the same house for 2 months. No love. I will even the one bringing love for you guys. He was 3 months or 2 months when you drop him in Nigeria. He grew with the grandmom, just like me. Okay? Just like me. You both don't have relationship, you know. When he from Libya enter house, he come meet you. Every day when they fight, true or false. Mo hunjwe no hune, nwera no hune, mwekbe me. Die bebo gume keke no asi oga body no kamu mejo tegbe mu mejo. Iga toge yo hu eve no ga mu mejo seme sene yime. Eve no ka mu mejo bona hu. Bo ga mu mejo egu o seme sene yime. Eme ni tana na ga oge. But na oge. If you love your son, oh yeah, gbe gambo. You will not use him for gamble. You bring your son, you say he should be dating women. You are lie, you hunwe. My people, let me explain a little bit of it. Okay? This whole issue, yeah, when the woman, when adeti e boy igagele gbo e, igagele rovie we, inagele we ari we no gbalegbe, no wa mure from nowhere now. So I will say, for the first time I involve my mom. So it's okay. We know the right place to do my yaki. So let's do it this way. At least. Okay? Since then, everybody they come make quiet. My husband wanted to talk. This man come abroad. Not be me want speak for her. And they talk her now because me already know say me they leave the marriage by myself. Not be you drive me. Not be you. Not be you drag me. This woman go see our video for family channel. A BP medicine now they take. Why? Why? We are fine. BP medicine. Somebody told her don't go to their family channel anymore. The love, the children, the harmony. She never welcome any of that. That's not what she want for her son. Not be waiting one for a pikin. The pikin supposed to be in nowhere right now, sitting with a woman. After 1 week, he go to Torino. After Torino, he need to go to Dubai. He need to be going around, promising all of you marriage. That is the mission. No, I don't pick her. But the mission fail because I come in. Before I know you, it's other. You are 40, you are 57 years. I be 50 something years, that. Iga bawe. Uwe no me. Iga bawe. Uwe no me. Before I come to your house, I come to your family. If not be every day you and your son they fight. You and your son they quarrel because get misunderstanding. Because everybody know. When, like my mother and me and I know grow for the same place, I grow with my grandmother. That's you see, I say I know they tell her what because we know flow, we know they flow like that. Who with the flow don't die. Now that one train me, just like him. When he come where I never know, I hear mama they quarrel every day. You imagine, picking where you don't know a character, you don't know your own. That one are normal. Not be only him or all the 3 children. The one way they pray for today, they just settle last motto. They just settle last motto. Because they quarrel, all of them. But no, don't call me in my phone. In my phone. Because I know say I go quit the marriage by myself. Okay? So leave that. No coming, nothing to, don't worry. I'm not desperate. I'm 35 years, I have life. Besides, I even get children, so don't worry. Before I know my husband, about 2 days, 20 something. A picture, Imami Nana. I don't know if he cut this thing, come back. Please, I'll come in. Let me bring some proof here. Make a proof come here. Worry. Hurry. I not love my husband. Thank you. Thank you for all when I don't they pass through. You see in our life. Why are you people like this? Why? Will you wait to die? Now with me and mama come here. I go there with my when they go drunk, with mama go somewhere. But you need to go. But I need to do it. So all of you go see her. I need them. Okay? Which one be I not really? I don't love my okay. Thank you. If free now, you feel love on. Okay? Or wait if they'll do you like that. A video no wait to balo ya webo. A restaurant in where boy amuria. Mwebok bene. Iga toge. Mwebok bene. La diame la video of your boy you ya mwebok bene. Iga toge. Gaye boy akba le restaurant. O Xavier. Enough. Okay. Oh my God, I bring the wrong thing. Oh, shice. I go carry the wrong something. Oh. No. Okay, may I explain? No worry. I'll go bring her later. She say na the bag with this. So, why they make this? I don't look the rest people. Okay? Somebody write mommy love. Somebody, I know wash her. No. I know. I be one just like quiet, normal, the way they do that. I know they wash them. If I wash, I go reply. Now, no. You know, see that lady, oh, when he talk to me, I wash and I reply. This Monica just now, I dey sleep before they bring out to my notice. I say, okay, make I list. It also I not still listing now. Okay, maybe I for 50 they manage the whole situation. But it's not right. How long will I manage them? Avoid video because me I know hear what they talk inside. That one at the top will I say now, I know they watch her video. No. That video when she do since how many days now, when she they do about me, if I don't watch her, me thunder fire me. I don't watch that video. That is what I'll be doing. That's what I do whenever they do nyama nyama like this. I know click in. Because when I hear, it go pain me, say somebody they lie. So I go react just the way I'm doing now. I never plan for this, but I need to do it. I'll still go bring her, but make her talk. Who they insult? Who they insult? So, before I come their house, maybe if you picking, we go talk you. Okay? Before I come their house, Mona help me share this video. The mama and Na don't they quarrel, they don't they fight, heavy fight. My husband, with nervous, the two, if you reach their house, he has on our CV, they got bad wife. When I come their house, the two of them are bad dead smoker. I came in with love. Two of them will smoke the whole roof. You go full for cigar, smoke. Window lakwa adoke window yoto. No, I tell mama, please stop. I beg, I know they like all this one. Nothing like please stop. Please. Whenever issue happen, you people don't allow me to explain my own part. And somebody keep lying. I know you don't have job, your husband, no. Okay. Put me for media, I put you. Let's grow together. Now because you pursue me. You know what? Yeah, tell ya, oh. Yeah, tell ya. Problem. Yeah, tie. My book be measure when me have we now. You got gele amo mo wa. You got kabie Africa. Kenori di age. Come not tire. E rumo no no yele. We no ya rehe. Ina be ye bog balowe. Oni agbon boyo. Ati e boyo. Ina gele di owe. Mena de say 36 years old. Unwera no wune. Unwijwe unwe. Unwijo da for me. U anome. Vava. Unwe no me va so. Ima esukponi. Umubane. The wish mother will love a son. I see your son having a lovely family and you are not cool with it. You say, it's too fine, too fine. It's too fine, too fine. Go read your comments. Go do this. Read comment there. No, you're afraid of and read comment. I be everything. I know my husband will not do that. We give each other trust. People all over the world call me. People toast me. Even they know I'm married. He don't come and ask me who is calling you. We don't do that to each other. We build our trust to that extent. So that's why any Yanutamaya, don't worry. So, my people, before I know them, the two, they quarrel. My husband with the husband, they quarrel, almost they fight. So, I can't come into the family. I see her everywhere, nyama nyama. I like, oh, okay. Before he can tell me the story, I need to be here. They not grow, they small, when he come out and all that. So they just try to know each other and wait till they cause quarrel, say now food, they cause quarrel. Whenever I wake up for night to go eat, you know, you come. To go eat, mama go say, I will boajena, I read by my son, you need to abide by the law. And my both the verse. So the man was angry. Okay? Now that one they cause quarrel for them. Now that one they cause quarrel for their two. So, sorry guys. No, why you say me I stop? But were you not enjoying watching her telling all the lies? Were you not enjoying it? They enjoying her telling all the lies? Calling, they say record voice. I never go down one now. You know Jennifer, they say Jennifer make video. You see? So I don't watch that one. Any of the video now, I never click. Heaven can bring me witness. Only first person why they click now. That be Monica. I never click on another person. When you na feel say talk for this matter. You might click here. So okay, una call the put cry here. But all the allegation, yeah, when did they put for my have a talk of here, he went marriage phone. So marriage phone was an ita. A man ain't your well, a bonus is no mere woman. Little daughter tell her say this thing not be juju. Yeah? But the fact that she's continued to fight me, she said until she died. If you don't say about 20 children, his son must come back to her. Any mother, can you people reason? Una watch the video because of the hate you people have for me. You never analyze the video. I wish my mother was alive because the daughter did not do the juju well. The juju no work. So mama for do better. He talked her 2 times for that video. Go and watch. So when I know them, now I go tell na the kind mother. Because we just the men now. You know. Only unless we don't tell matter. Maybe we tell matter. I don't think I need all this drama for marriage. I don't need that. I know say my husband love me, I love her. But hey, I know say marriage can come to an end one day. It no be problem. Okay? So you need your son to come and work for you and your white man to live. He's coming. Prepare the women for him. Give her one room and he will start working. If he does social media, people already know him. So if my husband today want to marry 7 wives, many women go like that for front. So please, they arrange them right now. Get you win. I give you thumbs up right now. The thumbs up where they give people when they swear for your grandchildren. The thumbs up where they give people when they swear for only son when you can't pretend like you love. Okay, so when I know them, two of them, they get a problem every time. As I come there, oh my God, the thing was here. They go smoke. This one go they smoke for year. The other one go they smoke for year. He might say cigar there with that moment. The thing can't they disturb me. And not only that, I don't like my made they smoke. I see Morocco sile me like eh. Iya sile yaba na okay. You get like as they fight the fight, they quarrel. I ask question, he explain. Okay? He explain everything to me. So the woman also, at that time, she want to do marriage. At that time, be the first, when I take go there. Yeah. So, they don't get money, they don't get money. So, she can't they find money. Based on my picky girlfriend, the way we be want me, my husband be they do me all the girls, they bring money. Then, I can't need to, they say no get money for ruler or star. You no get money for, to carry hall and all that. I can't vow. Which I do it with my heart. It's okay. But I'm telling you guys, for those of you that we go say no good. Okay? And that video when Monica they make us now say, I they do my husband mama like this. Monica, you have here a video ni. My boy okay ni machian level now. That day when we make that food, the waka we waka for this our place. Ask her. She also was tired. Look at her face very well. We were tired, but she said we must make it. Now make her. You have you mami na your boy you have here. Why you have video ni say? All the time we don't know no matter. So, as I enter, as they do the marriage, now one of our friend, one of our old school friend, when they got that enter abroad, whether they call Efe, he can't come the marriage also. So as that one come, he can't they introduce the Piki Torah. Now that one can say, you get Piki where don't grow like this. Now you can say, I get to the African that one mwere go fianyagbe. Do na beta money amwe ludukun rebo. It's okay. All of us know say to laribo. It's okay agwenegbe. So that one come, he can say, the way that one take talk, maybe not take anything. He can explain to her, no take friends no about that. They just know each other. Excuse me. Oh, sorry for the language. So he can't tell her. He can't talk like that. So from there, my husband can't come outside. He can't wear boss hat. He can't go collect shirt when one wear the marriage. Can't go collect the shirt. As he can't come out, pass us again. No, say we did that place. Me and this woman, this lady. But now she don't take for abroad. Now luck run against her kind of like that. But she not come see us, man. Now kind of her mate to that. So the woman can't define husband. As we do the marriage finish, that woman can't stay over the lady. That the lady cook, do everything. We can't get that clean. We can't get that cook. Now we got that do more. So I don't know say now who he want follow. Now they just prepare that so. Me my boy. We can't get that cook, do everything. Come from marriage, do everything. Okay. Pack people come from Genova. Everybody that I bring people, I pay. Oh, all of them can't come. So as we dey house, I can't they see, don't he can't they get the way it be. He go call a picking go corner. Before I know that one don't shout. They thought they quarrel again will salo bois. Wait till they happen. The place can't they somehow to me. And I don't know what it happen. He no tell me. I just need to go. I get house. I can't go. So that time when I take go, now she take start. He can't call a picking. When that day when I hear when picking shout for balcony. He tell Piki say, if you want give her 10,000 euro, she want open restaurant. So he can't tell this her old friend where they got that come abroad, but that one never born. That one, any woman with the friend that they can't chop him money, they go. So that one was not actually looking for a husband because the mama for no agreement marry her, not just to give her belly. So the woman was actually looking for child because no time. So now he can't discuss with the husband mama. He can't tell her say, this your pikin, he like her like this, like that. They can't talk. Then he can't they tell pikin say, make you just follow this one. That one where they Genova no go no. And this one, Even not be say what you want to take and do. Hey, marry Bambana, I marry. I mean, no man, that they marry. Yeah, they build that so person. They do this for you. So, you know, many people enjoy you go enjoy her. Only now we were full. Okay. So, as he called tell her, go swear puto. Everything what they talk so. So, as he come talk like that, they make her come out. They come begin the quarter. The woman can't still come out. We call record day between mama and Pikin because of her. She can't need to come out. So when I call, me never know what they happen. Where mama na say mama don't go. That's okay. That's okay. I can't greet. We just talk. I still drop for phone. If mama can begin the pincher, their hair can continue for their house. Say you must give her belly. No be say you want marry. The girl can promise her 10,000 euro. You got bawo baba. No ume. Oh be me. You got bawo. But your boy you want to we. So now so it happen. My husband can say no they take the 10,000 euro. You know they collect her. You know what? You know what all those things. Nigeria he do these things a lot. Now mama why you go say we boy na dozua. He say no. I know not be waiting I go feed you again. I just think I do those things out of ignorance. No, all those women I don't really love anyone. I don't love them. So this one why different. I love her. I love her. They give me better. I just love her. I just like her. If I have a problem in make it soon. If I had a problem in make it soon. I was 20 something. If I have a problem in I want go bring the I go still go bring her. Okay? So when the woman called the pusher, make he carry this girl. He continue to say, you know, they carry. Yeah, and can't provoke me. So he continue to say, no, they carry. From there, they call the digger. The digger. See, the girl can't invite her over. As he invite her over again, he can't tell that one, say, make her spend 1 or 2 weeks for their house. Make that one try rule. To take. Why now? You not fit tell me the reason why I want me to end this video. When I end my marriage, I'll end video. Why? Why I go end video? You fit tell me. Tell me, because a lot of things is here for the world to hear and blow your mind. Enough of pretending now. Enough. I tolerate you enough. Can you make my baby? Yes. Yes, now. Why you want make I end this whole thing? Why? Why I not just leave the man that time? I don't know say that she still did the way she did. Before she come Jamie, she beg. She beg us. She begin call her children. Ah, mommy, why? Why do I need to even say? Why now? Why you make me to the talk of this thing? It be not be bad thing say you beg for everything. It not be bad thing. You call, you beg. You call your children. You don't know if I go let you enter ask for everything will happen for the past. When they come, I confirm, and you will come. Why not? And when you come, that is why I use my best. I try my best. I exhaust my pocket. I do everything. That's why I write out for that video. Money cannot buy love. When your son give you money for ticket, we went there and I used my own money to buy you ticket. You hug me. Are you telling me that was fake? You hug me. Like I never know you are like this. I come close to you now. I know you better. You come on, man. We hug you, man. We went to Douglas to buy things. We went to everywhere. When you buy, I pay. You were loving me. I never treat you wrong here. No end my video. Yes, he will fight for me. I know. My sister, it's too much. It's too much. Why my husband want end my video? Why you want end? Okay, you tell me now why you want end. He know the truth. People don't they cuss all around. People don't they say, oh. But if your mother can use you HIV everywhere, if your mama send you to go they sleep with women up and down, to they not even tell you say go marry one stay. This one not be so. You people that is watching us from media, we really get back family? Are you people not seeing us how we are lovely? It's not fake, oh. She can tell you people. Some people might say, oh, these two couple they fake for camera. Now so we be for real life, oh. Now we be that, oh. Now what we be with the show now for that channel? So every mother that me wear for your son, you not supposed happy. All the children, everybody you're picking, they happy. Everybody they happy. But you say no. Native doctor tell you say they cover your eye. They tie her for that tree. Rain they beat her. You need to release her. If you release her, I need to come stay for one room for your house. If you call the bring woman here, there, okay, buy me this. Oh yeah, my mama need this one. My mama need this one. If you don't call, they do all this one. That time I don't open. They don't just do whole like it. It's more good. So I am saying this. I know say social media will carry around. No worry. You are hating me. Continue hating. I am not seeing it. It not affect my life. It not affect my social media platform. Okay? But I be quiet. If dirty too much for a blind person water, he go use lips. They see some. He go no say, dirty, why dirty food this water? I been so many years person they carry you go do. That one are 3 when they talk about. The other one when she go by herself, she they always tell now. The last time when I go Nigeria, Mona ask her, may she come out and no be say may she come out when not hear a bear bogume. Why are you doing this now? Respect us in fear. Good evening.
Hello, Mama. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, good evening, Mom. How the family?
Oh, they fine.
I hear Mama. Oh.
Mama, say me I tell you abeg, I know you're listening to wetin people they talk, Yeah, we love you, We love your family. Not listening to wetin people they talk. Now they how they talk. Now their man they will take talk. If they talk with their man, they enter house. You not get wetin one cut come off for your body. You understand? You understand me, ma? God don't already bless you. Don't you get lovely family? You get a lovely husband. You get lovely.
I block you. If I really love my husband, may I respect a mother. I'm one mortgage one. Okay? Ovi any madie. Rude. Okay, what's a woman I don't let no motion on us sick here? May I bring the picture? Is ever more a challenge something waiting now? How would I try? You supposed to tag me. Since when I know you're picking, you know if you sit down for when they smoke Morocco, gamma way what smoke. What have I done to be a bad person? Your picking cannot even you, but you still continue, but he can't do it again now. He can't do it. Me say any megeni. Every money can't buy the megeni. Jennifer can do be make one. Not supposed no concentrate here. Very important thing in life. No. Make see read more video. No problem. No problem. Thank you very much. My blessed children, when my come on that one, they say my not talk that one again. Okay, well, any yaho na amule, you see life? You see? Wait till do picking up and where I see everything okay. Now my head just good for everything to stay. Everyone know even age. We know a family have become. It have become like that. There is no way both of us because my mother will not you can't love you now. No your boy ma. Wamieba also atogene. But I think say now you be the joke. I don't know say and a joke it they tell me something. Now listen to his daughter voice as they go tease me. They shall go they laugh. I think say they don't mean. I always take their word like that. But I don't know she mean it. I don't know. Otina. All of una they beg na so na no one here again. But if we not talk her now, how you go tell no? Tomorrow she will. Yesterday, I want faint. When she do the rapping, it looks like it was not convincing enough. He burst cry. I say, what? What? Ha! Oluwa. Ama mi wo ge se ni wa e. Uwi bi ene ma wo we na. Wa vi je me no. Yo bi me yo mu me ye ko. So debo agbe. Deti megi to oge. Boy e ke no ye.
Hello?
Hello? Because many measures no more by many. No, not when I here got a beg given by the juju they be done beg. But now I come to realize it again. She be done beg for the past. I know. But it's okay. No, now no. Hello.
Jama first lady call
Oh, you see.
Call me mama no. I saw Pani now we assume about 2 years ago more call you.
No, they say end and I not talk now. I not talk.
Hello.
Hello.
When any time. And when you want na ka bora mi rayo. Igi omomo. Ibi ma womo. Ma understand. La gogo mi no mi. Ko ma do patalo.
Ma me guta lo na now. Emi ni yeta. Obe mweni obe atu wa honje me no bi me confirm me ni me. Where me and I never stay house for how many months. She don't know me.
65
they go say inside that don't come out disgrace her. She's not inside that to that extent to know me. Oma ene. Abia ijo do he ya go to ta ne gbe me ri wajia. Oma ene. Hello.
Ma bege ya. Emi astunu dana. Aiti. Oma no really come here when you attack. Then we jebo pupe. We jebo pigeon dafun.
Yeah, go watch that one now. Go on, Jay, sorry.
Ijodo making.
Okay, no. So though I'm happy. You use me and my grandchildren and all of us to now at least obey man obey amigo is fine. So that any idea by us low, it's okay. But not only that. Oh yeah, go on. No problem.
Jama first lady. Hello.
Hey, madam,
mo pa we gugun.
What back go and live video no.
Okay. La gogo. You can why me away.
Okay, mama. Wait. You say if I talk wetin happen. And then the attack it go destroy my home. I know. If I happen to pour everything naked in front of all of you, I know even my husband will not be happy. For people to know that they brought her mother. I know. But it dey pain. It dey pain. You say your husband beat you. Only if you tell the man is dead now. Only if the world know what's happen. When the world, if they know, they are going to run. Okay, sorry, live with JJ.
again, Ijawa, a give you a moment in each. Emi ga teva, Alizopabo, Rudovie, take a money, where get it a law, I'm more working, or Janori for your work. Let people know.
Ah, we mudiana. Ije mi alatia vie we dadao. Ate gawa we ukpanofo. Anybody can call me go juju. No problem. No problem. Gije me be subusi ni meni ha. Ije me. Give me subusi ni me obugbe.
Hello.
Hello, I want to read. Go me idame yo.
Lao. Mudo da for the money take away. No, Nemila was all ijo da for no. Anyamina pijoto. Mudo da for.
Odafi he husband they beat am o. Una no come ask her now. Okay, you want me they beat me? Wait till I do that thing when you do when you what your man no do that one now. Major they carry beat me. Husband beat me. You people don't take something to watch the video. Watch it and take point. But because you are not inside, you don't know. You just look for her and say, oh, she talk like, oh, that's what I think too. Nana, I think move almost 4 times a move. I think move.
Because of your husband and your children. And your ex.
You don't feel my pain, no. You never feel it. You not feel it, my dear. Omaje wese.
God take care.
Uma feel it. Then in say, I beg anybody right now. I go urge all of una. This beating, fighting of a thing. They say one man for Bologna where they do video talk. I know watch their video. I know the truth of God. No look at because imana okay you see that's what I've been doing when someone make video about me only if you hear does mean oh yeah when you want give up popularity but you know time I record again of women I will play it when she was seeking advice from me I know her but he said, "Tige, akwenigege, no look, agbe no wake me wa." But this Monica, how I go look now? I want confirm like you know where you go? Cause you know say the pikin senior, the guest senior is still it don't still born. Make up biene. You make up biene. Check your conscience. We are 3 number. Ni men see me no he send me yanania. Keke no see me menok bia. Keke we are 3. 2 girls, 1 boy. 2 girls, 1 boy. That would be. So where picking day? So I'll get picking. Not if you go meet my mama. So I'll get picking. Go they suffer somewhere with this time of this social media. In mama day live video. Other people they talk and get nothing to do with me. When that woman come and say I put my husband for bottom when they quarrel, tell her. This woman shared the video to the end. Share rival to the village people. Imata. Do you know what? I stay quiet. I already know, say she they give thumbs up to Novia Mokwa before she come here. But do you know what? I still forgive her. Make your say, on your say, no salo bana gbina me. Oterule la diane niya. Enene yo enye. Thank God. You never know one. Yeah. Yes. Eh? Yeah, mama, where? I know. So, but we're not here happiness or we're not do to take away. No, yeah, me happiness. Between you and Paula. Yeah, I know I'm going to offend my husband. I know. There is nothing to wash blood. That's why I have stand in the middle. If the boat cut it to 2, everybody pick up a bag and packages and we move on. And I will still come back glow, you know. Hello? Eh? Me agbunu yota. Eh, na pretend my husband. What's it? Hello? Hello. Anya the YouTube. Efe. Problem. Wala. Enyo we zere marriage enough. Just I want to live my life peacefully. That's why. It's not because of anybody say. Eru do what I. Eru din your tie. Eru do what I. Okay, yeah, go garepe. Excuse me. Okay, making a pain. Me not to be taking care of 4 children alone, I will not be in pain. For me to deal with 4 children now alone, now that I have taken my decision now. I'm not going to be, I will be enjoying. Right? Okay. Why it's those people? When they yani ke mamu men now, what can make ya? Iya my goge no. Iya my sister, she cried to back it up. Iya my. Only the inner people, I beg anybody that live in Bologna. Mudiaje, where say? Anybody that is living, if you they live for Bologna, Italy, you get one man with here now, say de Bologna. I will beg you or any of you that live in Bologna, please go to Mama Edith Africa shop. That woman will celebrate how many years in marriage. Mona go ask that woman. That woman, when they drive me and my son, when he shit for body, that woman rescued me one day. And that woman is a friend to her. I believe he will not lie on her friend. People should go there. Why you know? Why you know? My husband called her some days ago. The woman almost cried for us and said, till now, but why? We call that woman in Italy. So I urge everybody to go there. Somebody for social media, they go the Africa shop, they make video. Go again and ask that woman. She's a honest person. It might go there, they might be your turn. But I know she also tried for us. She was among these people to say, leave them. These people, you can see them. They don't get money, they don't get anything. They are struggling and they are still there. Leave them. We never born. I forfeit go do anywhere, go find money come. And that one are the case. That one every problem. Why you not come? Why woman go day house, you go they do shorty. No be say get belle, no be say don't born. He say no. I no agree. You no agree. You say, I want to apologize to, I don't understand. You see, I don't know, I know they understand something. I be that. I know they understand. That's the case here. Okay? No be by that one. No be, I no get in life, you no get my own. We just make oaths to each other. Vow for each other. Give each other trust. I think many of you did that video hear my mama voice. Una hear her voice. Una hear what he talk. I never want to bring her here. But she come now. And now, okay, you can't say, what you say, my do now? Me mama go dey drag her now. Then me they say married. How una think this matter now as it come be now? How you think and you where they tell me say marriage now? How you think family now to family now? What do you think? Tell me your opinion now. Tell me the position I need to take now in these two families. Tell me now. I never have problem with my husband. We know they get problem. She know. We are fine. She don't go to our family channel. What she they see there is irritating, it's annoying. That is not the kind of life you need for him. The kind of life supposed to supposed to be a low. Women will be coming and going. There is still time. A time it all. Oh wait, I have watched you since 2018, but I have never seen you like this before. Please don't. But you did social media now. You see what they go on. You see when you know what he pay me pass. You say I tie publicly or ya teneni. Only je me see bana. Publicly or ya tie. Or we balovi ye a zero. So give your boy away but give or when I read anywhere. Is even am with picture anywhere ya we bo or Asian woman or me. Get away once and for all so your conscience will be clean. My own will be clean wherever I am with my children. Abi, your own will be clean wherever you are with your child or your son. Then I can do anything I want, like face my social media things what they do. So I go get peace. Give me this one I give. Do this one I do. And you wear that shirt I like. I'm okay, mommy. I have mommy, why? 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 Because why? Because we are growing YouTube. Why? And you go to bed and sleep. And you have daughters. And you make video where if to say your mama they alive, but nobody talk about that part. You carry me go native daughter 3 times, now your daughter go that one. The 4th one, now you go by yourself when I was pregnant. You did there. Now you confess that one. You call your Imagine anybody there back. Any comment on social media. Thank God for that one. I wait till God they help me. I don't ask people that are close to me. I know they go Facebook. If they post your video, if they I carry my video. Me, I got it comment. Even my husband video where they carry for the other channel. Himself no they go. Because we are human. You will get mad. You know? And some of them go comment. Like that one with the snap call for me. Comment with real accounts. So you know, you go no say this person I fit deal with. But don't just go and read. That is what I do. I know they branch there to read. I know they even go they replay me. Okay? So wetin I una no come ask now. Wetin can happen now? I have a me on nota. Yegi anywhere. Ema ya lawa. Nobody they sort again. Everywhere call cool. They you come they na they come they here. Egba o your biomo o. No work on. Na me born pikin o. And they need to hear my name on you. Okay, it's fine. What here make come follow you do video. You don't get the channel. Now you channel. It just the name just to bring make people know the channel. Now make my name there. Now channel there. If you need me, you want collaborate. It there. You want to do with me. I know drive you. You know. Then waiting cause this one. If anybody need to ask question, me sit down, ask question. Say, waiting happen now, recent. Waiting happen. We'll make video now hands down. We'll do this one, everybody go there right. But okay, now you come. Mona go watch a video before when they do. Come on from my house after 3 days, he make video. No be me and I get quarrel, now you picking. Some people, they'll fight for social media. Some people, do you want me to break the video? Still they has a weird green shirt. But maybe una no know him. Una no understand because no mention name. If they always use some people. You understand? But we no quarrel. He block us before he start on this thing. Wetin una want? Wetin una want make me do now? You come out now, you say, I want now, as this matter don't be, let me go and watch these videos. I no watch because I no be want us to go this extent. If I watch, who I want to fight with for social media? If most any man have ya, who I not come they call big people since then, I fight them, I take grow. So now I want begin come the fight. It did disgraceful. Let's be sincere. That make me avoid all they say somebody talk for Facebook. Why don't me record? I no go. They call people, they call me. So person they make video, I no go. But this one, maybe I made mistake too. To click this video just now. Maybe. I just like that here. See cloth, I take cover. After we don't go out, children go birthday, come back. I suppose do hook up, I no come fit, I tire, I stay. That's okay, may I just look. I see Monica say, most especially the pikin called senior your pikin. Now I say, wow. So this woman finally give me this name. It become my own. Why? Name will not be my own. You want your nobody, no, because of hate and jealousy. Nobody call us say, Madam, what's it gonna happen this time now? Nobody call us say, why all this many matter? Okay, say Mama Glad Totora. Only God know, not say. But that one, let me just take it out. It's okay. I don't want to just talk about that one. It's fine. But only God know if I'm happy or not. It's okay. What else you want me to do? Even though I remember boy for are you go they love? The food we say we cook together. Monica for maybe you don't know. I beg her number there for live video. Help me call her. Anybody can call her. I will share the video again. Please ask her. I was sleeping on that video. I did sleep. I force him. No, I got here. I give him a video ni. Ina de lovie one no wa gume no. She like bicycle. No say na sport. She like sport. We go ride. I don't tire. Wakaye. Night before we come make that food, and I was down. We go na I pull her for. I dey do like this. See how here. Oh we go where. He might take a poster. You when he poster. Why you know eh? If you turn in my voice, you when he poster. You got here. Or the for him might take a quick. Cause you got here a video ni. And when he tamak ba why you damn you.
Hello.
Hello.
Lady, good evening.
Good evening.
Even the video I watch on.
Okay.
You can say, no here na oveve ovi.
Oh! No, Mama, Ade, no, Simia, Ade. Monica, I beg, watch the video to the end. I beg. He don't for me tell you what video ni wa jere, Baba.